So I will go with a list. So list will be represented by square brackets. So L is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. और अगर हमें डुप्लीकेट्स चाहिए, another 10, another 20, another 10. So this is a list with homogeneous values, but list also supports heterogeneous values. 12.4, 12.3. Hello. So this is a heterogeneous list which supports all data types. Okay, insertion order. So let us see with an example. रुको. L is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 12.4. True, this is Boolean type. Hello, this is string type. So this is a list. List will always be represented in square brackets. Okay. So square brackets is the representation of list. List supports both duplicate values, heterogeneous values, and once you create the list, you will be able to edit the values inside list. And list, whatever order we store the values, in whatever order we store the values, in the same order values will be stored in my system. So if I display this one, the same order it is stored. Okay, if I want to add the values, so there are no duplicates here. Let us try to add the duplicates. This is the method for adding the values inside list. 1. Okay, now 1 we have duplicate ones, 1 at the starting and 1 at the ending. If I don't want to add the values once I create the sequence, then we will go with tuple. So tuple is represented in parenthesis. Remaining all conditions will be common, just like list. So insertion order preserve होगा, ठीक है, duplicate values allow रहेंगे, heterogeneous values support होंगे, but the only difference is once I create a list, once I create a tuple, I won't be able to change the values inside the tuple. ठीक है, insertion order preserve रहेगा, duplicates allow रहेंगे, but t dot append then. So tuple doesn't support attribute append. ठीक है, add करने का possibility नहीं रहता. So this is the tuple. Next one, set. S is equal to, if I don't want to preserve the order of my values, and if I don't want to have duplicate values in my sequence, मेरा sequence में अगर duplicate values नहीं चाहिए, then simply I'll go with a set 1, 1, 1, 12, 2, 1, 2, high, true. ठीक है, comma, वापस high लेते हैं हम लोग. So once I display this one, कोई भी order में आएगा, and only unique values will be stored in the system. If I want to add, I can add s dot add of 12. Append will not be not 12, make it 14 s. Okay, value will be added at some random position. So these three will work in the same way. So when I want to store the values as a single entity, but dictionary, if I want to, that is also used for the same purpose. If you want to represent a group of values as a single entity, I will use dictionary. But here the value means it is a pair. In dictionary, if I want to represent a group of key value pairs as a single entity, then we can go with a dictionary. Okay. It is also represented by same flower braces. 1. So 1 will be like key. Left side part will be keys. Right side parts will be values. Separated by colon. Okay. It also supports heterogeneous values. 1 high. मान लो आपकी कॉलेज में हर एक बंदे को एक रजिस्टर नंबर रहेगा और आपका नाम रहता है. नंबर के सामने बंदे का नाम आएगा. ठीक है, एवरी पर्सन विल हैव सम रोल नंबर, रजिस्टर्ड नंबर के सामने अपना नेम आएंगे, 1 हाय, 2 हेलो, 3 हाँ. So this is a dictionary. Okay, if you want to find type of L, so here L, it is a list, right? L is a list. So type of L, simply for confirmation, L is list. Or type of T, I told it is a tuple. Okay, T, I told it is a tuple. सच में वो tuple है क्या? Class tuple. Type of D, it is a dictionary. Okay, if I want to add values to a dictionary, I can do it by simply D of key is equal to value. अब यहाँ पे 1 2 3 लिया मैंने, I am trying to add D of 4 is equal to by. Now D will have 4 values. So this is a dictionary. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
हाँ सर क्लियर है.
Okay. So यहाँ पे कहाँ पे हम लोग, Python is having different opportunities, right? Next one, if I am stuck at some point, अगर Python में कोड लिखते वक्त मेरे को लॉजिक में कुछ डाउट आया या I'm stuck with some error and I was not able to solve that error. So in order to support such kind of problems, so there are n number of forums. Okay, so there are n number of forums where we can post our problem, so that different developers, they can give us suggestions how to work out with that problem. So Python overall, it is having more advantages than you compare it with any programming language. So if we list what are those, first one, it is a simple and easy language. Okay, second one, it is free of cost language, or simply you can call it as open source language. Next one, it is an interpreted language because we don't require to compile the programs. Next one, dynamically typed programming language. Okay, next one, supports web development because it is having ready-made frameworks for web development. So Instagram पता है क्या आपको? Instagram का नाम सुना है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So Instagram was developed based on Python. Like Django, Flask, etc. Next one, vast library support. Huge community support. Next one, और क्या डिस्कस किया था हमने? C language और एक पॉइंट है, C language, it is called as procedure oriented language, right? C language is a procedure oriented language. So whatever I want to do, I have to follow a specific process to run that program in C language. Whereas Java, it is an object-oriented language. Everything should be written inside a class. Right? Python, it supports both. Python supports both procedure-oriented as well as object-oriented. Python supports both procedure-oriented as well as object-oriented language. And सबसे important है why Python is very popular is Python supports data science, machine learning, and AI, artificial intelligence, computer graphics, etc. Okay. These are the different features we have discussed with Python. बराबर? इसके अलावा, so every programming language will have its own drawbacks also. I'm not saying Python is the best programming language. It is not at all having any drawbacks. Compared to remaining languages, the advantages or the features of Python are more. So just like the remaining languages, Python is also having its drawbacks. The drawbacks of Python is comparatively slow running programming language. The speed of Python is comparatively slow. When we compare it with the most popular languages like C and Java, the speed of Python is slow. So Python is the best suitable option if you want to develop a software or server side applications. ठीक है, desktop और server side applications develop करने के लिए Python is the best suitable platform, best suitable programming language. But with respect to mobile development, if I want to go with mobile development, Python is still a primitive language, basic language. So compared to not compared, Python is very primitive language when you go when you consider mobile development. And another drawback we have in Python is PDBC, Python database connectivity. Python database connectivity. अब तक आपने JDBC सुना होगा, Java database connectivity, ODBC, Open Database Connectivity. So when we compare JDBC, when we compare PDBC with ODBC and JDBC, so PDBC is slow. Okay, PDBC is slow when you compare it with JDBC and ODBC. So these are the drawbacks we have with respect to Python. Still, so they are trying to improve those drawbacks, improve from those drawbacks. Okay, is it clear? So because of these many advantages, we can start with Python. Okay, if I want to go with the high-end technologies like data science or machine learning, Python has become the common language. So that is the reason why people are converting to Python. People are migrating from different technologies to Python. That is the reason why Python is having huge demand in the market in the recent years. Is it clear?